How do eczema genetic factors vary globally? Imagine a puzzle where each piece is a part of your DNA, shaping how your skin reacts to the world. Eczema, especially atopic dermatitis, has a strong genetic piece that differs from place to place around the globe. In some populations, like those in Europe, mutations in a gene called filaggrin are quite common. This gene helps keep our skin moist and protected. When it has certain mutations, the skin barrier weakens, making it easier for irritants and allergens to cause eczema. These mutations have been around for a long time, possibly because they helped ancestors fight off infections in the past. In Asian countries, the story is a bit different. The frequency of filaggrin gene mutations can range from just 3% to over 50% depending on the specific ethnic group or region. Some families or communities have unique mutations that are not found elsewhere, showing how genetics can be very specific to certain groups. For people of African descent, mutations in the filaggrin gene are much less common, usually less than 1%. However, studies on African Americans have found a slightly higher rate of these mutations, and other genes like filaggrin may also play a role in increasing eczema risk. It is important to remember that genetics are just part of the story. Environmental factors like pollution, tobacco smoke, and hygiene habits can influence whether someone with a genetic predisposition actually develops eczema. For example, a child with a family history of eczema might be more likely to develop it if they grow up in a polluted environment or are exposed to certain allergens early in life. Research shows that genetics can explain a large part of why eczema runs in families. Some studies estimate heritability rates above 70%, especially in boys. This means that genetics are a big factor, but environmental triggers can turn on or off the condition. Understanding how genetic factors vary around the world helps explain why some populations have higher or lower rates of eczema and why the severity can differ. It also points to the importance of personalized prevention and treatment plans. Families with a history of eczema can benefit from early steps to reduce triggers and protect the skin, making a real difference in managing the condition.